If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. aespa, girls, envy, just dropped 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Follow me on Twitch. We in the elevator? Girl, I don't trust elevator. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, Slay! Ooh, okay, we It's not even, they didn't even break my camera, they broke my Wi-Fi, my guy. aespa be breaking my Wi-Fi? First of all, they're in the elevator. My biggest fear is being stuck in the elevator. Not one of my fears, actually. Lobby, Black Mamba? Or Mamba? When the guitar started going on too? Ooh. Yow! It's like a, that little she looks so badass here too. Ah, someone's watching. Is it the girl from the first Black Mamba that was? Is there gonna be a part where it's gonna be creepy? Like, you know, like the first, their debut? Woo! God damn. I mean, I already saw about the whoo. Alright. Ooh! They're making, this is the lore though. Oh shit, they gonna fight? No! No! No way! They had me at bow down. I was like, ooh, I like it. With them girls. Okay, salute. Wait. No. Like that? It's like that? Oh shit. Let's go, production. What they say? I thought I didn't read the text. I thought it said Donald Trump. I was like, what? But no, obviously, it's not that. Ooh, get that walk. God, it's so beautiful. Ooh, a POV beatdown? Ah, they're implementing more of the AI stuff. I love it. Or AE stuff. Oh shit. Bro, out of all nights, it was perfect. My stream was perfect until now, bro. My stream was perfect until, and then aespa played and just messed up my Wi-Fi. Oh god, they're powerful. Anyways, let's continue. I'm probably gonna. They too powerful. It's the Black Mamba. No, deadass. I don't know what's happening. Y'all seeing this ish, bro? But the song is already fire. We them girls. Ah yeah. Them girls. Hey. Okay, what we unlocking? Oh. Ooh. Break it down. Dance break. Ooh, get it, go. And we slow it down, speed it up. What you trying to do? Get that crown. Oh, let's go aespa. Hey, oh. Okay, you better get that. Ah, I see. Okay, vocal. Okay. Oh, destroyed easily. I mean, she cut through a whole ATV. No, I mean that wasn't her, but a sword did. They got sword. Game over. Oh shit! That's the same girl from the beginning, like in their debut, right? That lady that was hovering over them, the black. Was it the Black Mamba? Ooh, that shit was kind of like an epic action flick. That like an action movie. Shout out to aespa. They killing the game. I actually do like Life is Too Short. Life's Too Short for an English song too. It was pretty good for an English song. Lyric wise, I mean it's straight to the point. And then Illusion does remind me of KDA a little bit, but then Girls is just on some action-ish too. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.